Are you looking to extend the lifespan and maximize the performance of your valuable machinery? At InterstateHeavyEquipment.com, we believe that preventive maintenance is the key to preserving the longevity of your heavy equipment. Our experts have pooled their knowledge and experience to provide you with top-notch advice. Number 1. Regular inspections. Learn how to conduct thorough inspections to identify potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Number 2. Lubrication and fluid checks. Discover the importance of proper lubrication and fluid levels to prevent premature wear and tear. Number 3. Filter replacements. Understand the significance of timely filter replacements to maintain the efficiency of your equipment's engine and hydraulic systems. Number 4. Tire maintenance. Find out how to optimize tire performance through regular inspections, pressure checks, and tread depth monitoring. Number 5. Electrical system care. Get insights into safeguarding your equipment's electrical system and keeping it in peak condition. Don't wait until a breakdown occurs. Visit InterstateHeavyEquipment.com today and access our invaluable maintenance tips that will save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. For further assistance or to explore our wide selection of heavy equipment, call us at 469-370-7501. Our dedicated team is here to support you and provide expert guidance. Ensure the reliability and longevity of your heavy equipment with InterstateHeavyEquipment.com, your go-to resource for maintenance tips and high-quality machinery. Take control of your equipment's maintenance. Visit InterstateHeavyEquipment.com now.